Okay, so these are done. So now this one. Okay, so that should be loose enough. See now this one. So that's loose, and this should just come out. There we go. So that's out of there. Now I am very curious to listen to the sound of it without anything blocking it. So let's take a look. I don't really have wiggle room. Okay. Okay, that's good enough right there. And now we need this again. And I think that's it. I don't think I need anything else. Here it's perfect. There is the DB killer is still there, but looks pretty good. Looks a lot more aggressive than with the stock exhaust. Okay, so, oh my god. I just spent like 10 minutes talking to you guys until I realized I wasn't recording. Jesus, oh, okay. Anyways, this Dominator exhaust, to me, it sounds exactly like the OEM exhaust, but it's a little bit louder. I wasn't able to remove the DB killer because I didn't have the right tool. I didn't have the right tool because it has to be a very, very small hex key. Thank you, Mr. Truck Driver. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but it has a very nice sound at the end when I rev it. So, as I was saying, when I put on the exhaust, I was a little bit disappointed. And again, this is with the DB killer. But I wasn't able to remove it just yet. I'm hoping that once I get back home, I have the right tools there to remove it, and tomorrow I'll show you how it sounds without the DB killer. When I removed the muffler entirely, the stock one, I turned it on, and it was probably one of the best sounds that I've ever listened to on a motorcycle. Just with a straight pipe. I really wish I could drive like that without any mufflers. And I was saying that I'm not sure that I can. I'm pretty sure that I can't, because otherwise mufflers wouldn't exist. But I wish I could, man. It's getting a little bit looser now. It's actually getting looser, I think. The sound's getting a little bit more aggressive. I don't know if it's because I'm riding with it. I'm not sure, but I think like here not so much, but when I stopped there, I do like this. Hear it? It's like fireworks. I like it. People are so nice. Thank you. Some people are nice. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think about this exhaust, and leave a like so I can know that you guys are enjoying this content. And I'll see you tomorrow, okay? Bye bye.